Good evening, friends. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 2nd July 2024. Today, Nifty was as flat as one could imagine. It traded in a narrow band of 50-60 points throughout the day. Today being expiry day, it was between 15,720 and 15,690 for most part of this session. But because of some pressure due to expiry, there was a little sell-off towards the end. It even breached 670 for a split second, then ended higher, about 10-15 points shy of 16,700 levels. Till Nifty closes below 15,600, where a lot of support is there. The trend of the market remains up, and no one should think of shorting the market on a closing basis. Tomorrow, at any point of time, if 650 is broken for a considerable period of time, say 1 or 2 hours, then long positions should be exited. Going forward till as the trend is up, one needs to buy into the dip with a stop loss at about 15,600. If always put your stop loss 10-15 points below the support, because it's a very big support which has held for more than 2-3 occasions. There is a probability that he may break that and move up by a few points. The target, as I have been mentioning on the upside, is 15,900. That is a life high of the market, and then 16,000 and 16,020 can be expected in the immediate short term. Moving on to short term charts, still Nifty is in a trading range of around 250-300 points, and today we have touched the bottom of the trading range. Going forward, still I believe the only trade is to buy unless 15,600 is reached on the lower side. Now we have about 50 to 60 points stop loss, and if one can buy into it, the target on the upside is 15,750 and 760 levels, wherein significant resistance is there. Once it crosses 15,750, 760, we can expect 15,800 and 15,840 in the next couple of trading sessions. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty closed about 80 points lower than its previous close today. Still, the stop loss that was at 34,500 holds. As is the case with Nifty, maybe because of some expiry pressure, Bank Nifty has broken below 34,800 levels. The only trade here in Bank Nifty is also to go long, as the stop loss for the same trade is very near, for an upside target of 35,500 and 35,800 in the near term. Even though Nifty and Bank Nifty closed with minor losses today, there is no sign of profit booking, and there is no steep fall with volumes in either of the indices. Moving on to short-term charts, we can see here Bank Nifty is trading in a channel, and it is making, or I can say it is building a base. Once it breaks out of this range, which is somewhere around 34,900, we can see Bank Nifty moving towards 35,200. The stop loss for the trade is about 34,500. We will take a look at the stocks in my watch list. Bajaj Auto, after finishing a small correction, has resumed its rally, hence it's a buy. Coforge has been consistently making new highs. Stocks that are making new highs should be bought, hence it's a buy in my list. Sun Pharma virtually did nothing over the past 3-4 weeks. Now it is coming out of a range. Hopefully it will move up. Moving on to derivative data now. Nifty ended the day lower by 42 points to close at 15,680. Buying interest was seen in Nifty futures, which closed lower by 0.25%, and open interest moving up marginally. Nifty OIPCR was at 1.05. Amongst Nifty options 8th July expiry, put writing was seen at 15,500 and at 15,700 levels. Call build-up was seen at 15,700 and at 15,800. Bank Nifty closed at 34,684 points, lower by 88 points. Profit booking was seen in Bank Nifty as open interest went down by as much as 4%, with Bank Nifty closing lower by 0.27%. Bank Nifty PCR was at 0.75. Minor shorting was seen by FIIs in the index futures segment. Their net sold contracts in indices were rupees 294 crores. Their net open interest went up by 7,217 contracts, most of which are on the short side. Market breadth was equal. VIX was at 12.84, down 1.6%. Now a look at FII activity for 1st July 2021. A look at the open interest chart for 8th July 2021. National Aluminium is the only security that is in ban for trade. Thanks for watching. Good night.